Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Please like and subscribe. Today we're going to share 3 minifigure trading hacks with you. But first, let's define minifigure trading. One fun thing to do at Legoland California is minifigure trading, which you can do at gift stores and with employees throughout the park. In order to trade a minifigure, you need to bring a minifigure to trade. It needs to be an official Lego minifigure, not a knockoff brand, and it needs to include a head, body, legs, arms, and hands. If you don't bring a minifigure, you can buy minifigure blind bags or pay to build minifigures. But we have an even better idea. Watch until the end to see how my son truly maximizes his minifigure trading experience. We're at Legoland California, and a lot of the minifigures that you get, like if you do the build your own or you do the blind bags, they're like $5 each or $15 for 3, so $5 each. But one hack is sometimes they have these little bags where those are also $5. It comes with usually at least one minifigure plus like some extra Lego pieces. This particular set, Lego City 30588, comes with 2 minifigures. So Walter got this set so that he can have 2 minifigures to trade.
It's a good set, so if you're trying to if you forgot,
it's a good set just to keep.
If you forgot minifigures and you're like, dang it, I really want to trade, and there are these 2 minifigures that I really want, or even more, you can just be like, okay, I'll trade this one for that one. This is kind of like the max minifigure you could trade in this bat.
You would be silly to give all of that to them.
Yeah, you
do not need to do that.
You do not need to do this. Like literally, that is not what you need to do. This is basically what you gotta do.
This is all you need in order to trade.
You do not need to do like that.
You could trade this for someone else who traded this. Walter has been known to trade one without hair for one with hair, take the hair off, trade it again and get different hair, take the hair off again and trade it again.
Yeah.
He's sneaky.
That's funny.
Subscribe for more Legoland hacks.
It's fun, yeah.
Oh, another Legoland hack. I would suggest putting minifigures you're going to trade in something. It's always a good idea to bring a couple Ziploc bags with you to an amusement park or a zoo or any place that you're out and about like that. Now we're going to show you an example of minifigure trading. This is inside the building area in Lego Movie World, but there are minifigure trading places throughout the park. Watch closely and you'll see hack number 2 in use. But don't overuse it. I see some of like the same shirts, like people are using the same ones, but I think, is that the same one you have? Yeah, it's the same one.
Can I trade this for that?
This one? There you go.
Thank you.
Awesome. That's a cool one, Walter.
And then can I trade
You don't want that
this for that?
one? Oh, that's a cool one.
And then can I trade this? And then can I trade
How many are you
this
going to trade?
for that?
Oh, wow, I like that one.
Okay. So we do need to keep the hair on some of them, unfortunately. So if you want to trade again, it's going to be one with the hair, okay? Just because we don't want to lose all the hairs.
So can I trade this?
Oh, I like the cowboy hat. That's cool. Do you have one of those?
Yeah. What do you want, Mom?
Oh, look at that. That's cool. She has like a helmet on. With the dolphin shirt? Molly would like the dolphin shirt.
Okay, and then can I trade this for that?
Alright, there you go.
Okay. Are we done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Have a good day. That was kind of crazy.
That was awesome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Legoland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time. Bye.